Guys, now today I am taking present perfect continuous tense. The helping verb of this tense are two helping verbs, has been and have been. Has been is used with the singular number subject and have been is used with the plural number subject. Now in this tense we are using time. Time is must in this tense and time is denoted by using since or for. Since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. Now there are three patterns of this tense. Affirmative sentence. So this is the pattern of affirmative sentence. Subject plus has been and have been plus first form of the main verb, object and time. Time is denoted by since or for. In place of time we can use here since or for plus time. For example, I have been flying a kite since morning. The next pattern is negative sentence. In negative sentence, see this pattern, subject plus has not been and have not been. Not is used between has been and have been, plus ing form of the main verb, object and time. For example, he has not been learning his lessons for 2 hours. Now third pattern is interrogative sentence. See the pattern of interrogation, has and have, plus subject, plus been, plus ing form, object and time and mark of interrogation at the last of the sentence. For example, have you been learning your lessons since morning? And mark of interrogation. Now these are three patterns of this tense. Now see the use, single use of this tense. This tense is used to describe an action that began in the past, is still continuing and may extend into the future time. For example, it has been raining since morning. Now these are 10 sentences of this tense in exercise. Sentence number 1, the cattle ... graze in the field. The cattle plural subject, so we can use here have been grazing. The cattle have been grazing in the field. The next sentence, Ramesh is singular subject, we can use here has been working hard. Ramesh has been working hard for the last 2 days. Third sentence, he subject singular, we can use has been taking medical treatment in a hospital since last Sunday. Next sentence, I is subject plural, we can use have been. I have been drawing the picture all day. Fifth sentence, my friends are plural subjects, we can use have been plus ing form of the main verb. So my friends have been listening to folk songs for a week. The next sentence, some kind-hearted people plural subject, we can use have been plus ing form. Some kind-hearted people have been feeding the orphans for the last 2 years. Next sentence is, she is tired because she subject is singular, so we can use has been plus ing form. So she has been working for the entire morning. Next sentence is she subject is singular, we can use has been plus ing form. So she has been knitting sweater since last Sunday. We subject a plural in the next sentence, so we can use have been plus ing form. We have been working here since 3 o'clock. The next sentence is, my father singular subject, we can use has been. My father has been watching TV for 2 hours. So these are 3 sentences in your exercise, and in this way we can use present perfect continuous tense. Thank you and have a nice day.